I'm working on this section in Revit, and let's say I want to create a 3D view that is cut exactly in the place where this section is cut. What I do is I open any 3D view I want. I will just go to the 3D icon, and then I will open this generic 3D view of my house. Once I open the 3D view, I right-click on the cube in the upper right portion of the view, and then I find the Orient to View option. Here you can choose any of these options you have. Basically, you can orient to floor plans, elevation, sections, or other 3D view. This is a very useful option because when you are working, you will sometimes want to check out the details you see on your views, whether it's elevations, floor plans, or sections. And this option enables you to precisely cut the 3D view to this view you want to show. In this case, I go to the sections and I will have the list of the sections I have in this model, and I will choose section 2. Now when you zoom in, you can see that this section have been cut exactly in the place where our section is. The section box changed to show this exact portion of the section. So this is a very useful tool when you are working on your sections or details or elevations or even floor plans. If you enjoy learning with us, take a look at our architectural course through the link below. With 20 hours of structured video lessons, it's designed to help beginners master Revit step by step. To support your progress, we've included assignments with each lesson, plus the opportunity to ask questions and receive guidance directly from the instructor whenever you need it. This way, you're not just watching tutorials, you're actively learning, practicing, and improving with guidance every step of the way. Thank you for watching.